Hello, this is World of TREDEC. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Jorge Trimont explaining you again the model kits made in Venezuela. Just like this one, Lindberg brand, old models from the 70s and 80s. This is the turn for the Fairey Flycatcher. It's another biplane. It's a classical. You will get a lot of information about it. So the thing I have to do is I gotta go. Right, keep reviewing Lindberg model kits from Venezuela. I mean, made in Venezuela under USA Lindberg authorization or license. As always, this kind of image I really like to show or to enjoy the model kit already built and painted by a professional modeler as a cover. So this is a great inspiration, and you really want to improve this kind of finishing. So I really like it. Anyway, as always, this is a medium box, soft. It's a kind of soft, and unfortunately it's squashed box. Either way, we could use the same main cover, but to me, when you see this round sticker, that means that this is the main cover. Lindberg Leather and Hobbies. This is in Spanish, of course. I really like to keep the original plastic wrapping, clear cellophane. Okay, as I told you on my intro, this is the Fairey Flycatcher in 1/48 scale. The sides of the box, sorry for the really worn box, with instructions in Spanish, no paints and glue included. Right? This is so important. The kit number is the 919. This is the official number of the kit, and the proof that this is originally from Lindberg U.S.A, made and printed in Venezuela by Lindberg of Venezuela under the license of Lindberg Hobbies Incorporated, Illinois, USA. Copyright for Lindberg Hobbies Inc. All rights reserved. Trademark in the USA, Venezuela and other countries. Other countries, I assume, in Latin America, just like Brazil and Mexico. Let's check the contents. The original plastic parts. Oh, sorry. The arms, pilot arms, the building instructions in just one sheet, the Fairey Flycatcher. This is in black and white, no big deal. Let me check what I got more. The main cover, Lindberg, old logo, kit number 919. I wrote the dimensions: 14 centimeters, 0.6 millimeters length, 18.45 centimeters wingspan, and 7.62 centimeters height. 59 pieces plus the two sticker sheet, Fairey Flycatcher, Important notice, you should read carefully all the building instructions. Do not cut the pieces from the sprues until you are going to use them, etc. We recommend to wash the pieces with alcohol or with water before painting. Use glue or apply the stickers. Let's check how the building instructions are illustrated. Everything in just one step. You have to be so careful with a lot of details right here. How to assemble all the wings, the upper wings, lower wings, the struts, and display stand with this propeller or this radial engine, wheels. That's so delicate. You should be so careful with these thin pieces. Well, something interesting. I think this is from the 50s, and Lindberg took this again in order to reissue on the 70s and 80s. These part numbers are written by hand, no computer, nothing like that. These are the explanations for the building instructions. Recommendation: please use the texture paintings and the cement. Okay, this is an important note. If the model is gonna be reached, please see overleaf. This is sorry, these are the markings, approximately the manner of the right position of the stickers, upper wing, lower wing, and the example of the rigging wires or the strings. I need the extra images from the internet because this is not enough to me. So this is the hardest part of the building process, applying these cords. For that we have to use a thin cords or strings for the wires, for the rigging wires, and for applying those strings into the wings, we should use a set of the twist drills. The sizes should be from I will tell you 61 through 80. Unfortunately, it's missing the 80, 79, 78, 77. They are missing. But the 76 and the 75, they are broken. The rest of the twist drills are complete. They are so small and they don't have to be used by using electric driller. They should be used with this pin-wise. Okay, you place the twisted drill right here, and the handily you could make the hole through the surface before applying this cord. Maybe more ahead I will post tutorial on how to set the rigging wires to biplane. Alright, the stickers, they are dry transfers, they are not decals for this biplane unfortunately you have to paint, as always, a white background before applying the right sticker, because it is kind of translucent. You see that, like the other models I've been reviewing. So I think these are not in bad condition, except for some blue zones are kind of fading away. I really love the display stand sign, and even the kit number. I will use this, no problem. The big drawback of this sticker is just, as I explaining you, this part is fading away. So I need to retouch it with by hand brushing, or maybe I have to make another stickers or dry transfers. Let's check the parts, original parts from the sprue. Let's start with the display stand. The style is typical from Lindberg. This is so elegant. This is the zone for placing the sign, Lindberg Fairey Flycatcher, just right here. The pieces, as you see, this lower wing, I think this is the lower wing or the upper wing. Let me check the instructions. Okay, this part number are 16 and 17. According to the building instructions, they are the upper wings. Some flash we have to scrape away, typical from these products, a lot of flash. The guns, some little and tiny and delicate parts for the wings, some struts, the other wings, one solid mold, no halves for the wings. These are for the lower wings, the radial engine, some struts, a lot of struts, fuselage halves. That's so clean. It's a miracle I cannot see any flash on it. With panel lines, recessed panel lines, and some textures, raised textures as well. This is the rudder or the vertical fin. This is the cockpit floor, the struts for the wings, because this is a biplane. One solid mold for the horizontal stabilizer, sorry, and the other fuselage half. Let's check the fitting. I really love to check this in order to check some quality, precisions. Yes, but fine. Nothing inside, no big deal inside. This is the other part of the radial engine, the wheels, etc. This is another strut. I think this is a gun, and the pilot in some many separated parts, the legs, the torso, the arms, panel control, The propeller, 2 blades, it should be painted in brown wood, and the transclear windscreen, so important. It's a miracle this is not missing. Fortunately. I think these are a complete review of this model kit. Thank you very much for paying attention to this classical review of this model kit. See ya!